When my wife at the time and I had decided we were getting divorced, I didn't think I needed a lawyer. I felt like we could handle it like adults. However, at some point, I realized I needed to when I was having difficulty seeing my son. I needed to make sure that I was going to be able to spend time with my son in the future, and enough time. So a friend of mine recommended Brian very highly, and I gave him a call. And I also, before I hired him, I went to his website and checked out some video that was there of Brian talking on a radio show, and I had a good feeling about him. So I gave him a call and we talked a bit, and he really listened to. I had talked to a few other lawyers, and as I was trying to get my point across to them, they wanted to tell me about how great they are and tell me about what they've accomplished without even really hearing about my situation, which I was very emotional about. It involved my son. So Brian made a great impression when he listened and he paid attention. He basically took care of things that I wouldn't have known how to. We handled everything in mediation. I was there with Brian. He helped me know what to say and what to offer and what to counter offer. And I was able to get more custody than I thought I would have been able to. And now I spend a lot of time with my son, and it's wonderful. It's all I could have hoped for, you know. And working with Brian and his staff was just a pleasure. Everyone's professional, polite, and a really good experience. Again, to sound cliche, but you know, it just really was. So yeah, the outcome worked out very well. I own a business, and it's hard to juggle different things in my agenda, but I wanted to spend as much time as possible with my son. And in the mediation, we worked it out very well. So the time that I have available is time that I spend with my son, and it's worked out great. Being able to have everything laid out, everything on paper, everything arranged, everything settled upon and on paper, so there's no guessing game, and being able to move on with my life, you know, with our lives. It can be very intimidating for a father who is fighting for time with their child to find someone that they can trust with that responsibility of rejoining them with their son or daughter or both. And so someone asking me if they should choose Brian, I would definitely say he's someone that you'll feel comfortable with, someone that will listen, pay attention, that will be focused on handling the case well, but also in a timely fashion. So, you know, just you'll be pleased all around.